Well, today's video is a rather sad one. This is my Rhipsalis paradoxa, or what's left of it. There's nothing left of it, actually. Every single bit of it crispied and died. It bloomed really well this year. I don't know what happened, so I'm going to remove this from the pot. You know, I still had a pretty good root ball. So honestly, I just don't know. I kind of suspect it was in too big of a pot. The roots were there. Yeah, I don't know. It could be that I had this in too much sun last year. It didn't look like root rot. If there was root rot, I would have no roots on this. So unfortunately, before I moved this plant over into my shade area, I had it in quite a bit of direct sun, and I think that was the problem. So I don't think there's much chance of anything coming back from the roots. So I am just going to dump this plant, unfortunately. Luckily for me, I have a good friend who gave me another plant here. It looks pretty healthy. Nice green growth. See, mine was never dark green like this. It was getting much too much light. And I think that was my mistake. So hopefully I won't kill this one. We'll see how it goes. It looks pretty healthy. Whoops, I've got a little ball here. It looks like a root ball. That's interesting. Maybe that cutting was planted upside down. Very interesting. Hold on, let's take a look at that. Yeah, I think this was actually stuck in upside down. Look at these. Look at these roots here. That's crazy. I just noticed that. I just got this plant a week or two ago and hung it up. Well, now I'm wondering what to do, because this has rooted in there. Well, I guess what I could do is snip this off here and root this section separately. It's just nothing to it. I'm not sure. It's got somewhat of a little branch here that's kind of wrinkly, like it's languishing. Well, gosh. That's interesting. Well, maybe I'll take it out and put it upside down and let it reroot. Crazy. But luckily I've got another 3 other segments that are actually 4 other segments in here that are rooted correctly and growing nicely. So thank goodness. Thank goodness for friends. So while one plant did not survive, I'm going to keep this one in a shady area, and hopefully it'll do a lot better for me. Okay, take care. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you all again in the next video. Bye.